Hey everybody, so today we're going to go over these rechargeable walkie-talkies that we got from Amazon here. Super stoked about this. So they do come with 3 of them. As you can see, one's blue, yellow, and then purple. So first off, we'll start putting the batteries in. Super easy, you'll just take the back off, and you'll just kind of follow the instructions there, plus and your negative. And you'll put those 3 batteries. It does come with batteries, so that's really nice. Put them in just like so. And then you'll hit power on, you'll just slide it back on, and you're ready to go. And then it does come with neckties here, so you can put them around your neck or wrist, anything. This will just kind of go on the back side, up through there. Then you can swing through. Just like that. So then you can actually wear them around your neck. So it's a little easier than you don't have them in your pockets or just carry them around. You can just throw it right over your neck and talk to people. Then they do come with headsets too. You just plug them in, and you can actually, instead of using the walkie-talkie, you can just use the headphone here, and then you'll just have your push button here to call. So super easy. As you can see, this one's already linked, so I can call off of it and talk to it via that way too. So so that's super awesome. Kind of be like L Spy, kind of like with the earpiece instead of just, you know, your normal walkie-talkie. So with something like with these walkie-talkies, you do have to have the different codes. So you have the DCS, and then you have the CTCSS, and those are just kind of 2 frequencies there. So super easy. So to pair them, as you can see, I have them both on DCS as stated on there, and then I both have them to channel 5 with the station to 102. So they do have to be on the same channel to communicate, but super easy to get them. So and then they can communicate just like so. So you have to have them either on the DCS, both of them or all 3 of them, or the other one for them to be connected and work. And then it does also have a lock feature too if you hold the call button, or you can call, or if you hold that call button, you can actually lock it so it's not going to get bumped, and you know, modify the channel so they're already locked. So I unlocked this one just to show you kind of how I go. You hold menu here, and that powers it off. And then to change channels and frequencies, you can go up and down on those, and then you can change it from CTCSS to the DCS, and then you can go on channel to get that channel, and then all the way back to your main menu there, so you can talk to each other. So I'll go in another room. This does have really good distance too, so I love this. So if you are going to be, you know, a long ways away from each other, you know, you can work. So I'll just go in another room.
You can hear me. 10-4 copy, big dog.
Copy, big dog.
So as you can see here, they work really good. Definitely long distances. And then you also have a little cover you can put over your speaker. 2 if you want. Slip it over the top. So when you tuck into it and have it in your, it's a little bit more comfy too. So it does come with 3. And then it does come with 3 of the microphones. So you can attach that to all of these 3, and you're ready to go, so you can have fun. So this is like perfect for your kids, you know, if you go camping a lot, or, you know, just hanging outside and have friends over, you know, they can kind of play spy out in the woods or around the house using the walkie-talkies. So super easy to work, not complicated at all. As I said, they are rechargeable, which is super nice. So you have the charger here. Comes with a USB block. You'll just plug that bad boy in, and then what's really nice about this too, it does have all 3 plugins, so you can actually plug them all in at the same time. And then the charging port and the adapter is just right next to each other, so you can plug them all in. And so, you know, you don't need 3 different chargers. It's one charger, charges all 3 of them, so that's a big bonus. And then they do come with all these little extra sleeves that you can put them back in, just so they're kind of protected. So then your kids can use them for next time. And then it does have just like the standard belt clip too. So if your kids did want to put them on your belt, they slip right on. So super awesome if you're looking for some super easy to work walkie talkies that are rechargeable and super convenient. Comes with a bunch of extra stuff. It'll keep your kids playing for hours. So definitely go check these bad boys out.